Now we went to the farm to collect some Ewedu, sesame. No, this one is not sesame. Ewedu. Don't worry, I'll look for the English name. We are collecting it because we want to make soup with it. Look at how it looked like. Collection of vegetables. Slimy veggies for making supper. Look at the plant. We call it Ewedu. Ewedu. Ayoyo. You can call it ayoyo. Ayoyo. Look at the mature ayoyo plant. Is in Hausa we call it ayoyo. In Yoruba we call it Ewedu. I don't know what other tribes call it, but these two tribes they call it. This is one of the most favorite soup leaf delicacy in the western part of Africa. Ayoyo, Ewedu. So we are collecting it. Let's go. Let me cross. Bear with me. The place is. Yeah, and this thing was sweet. Look at it, the Uwedus. Now we have Uwedu farm. Uwedu. Look at how Uwedu look like. Baby dance for me, yo. Look out down for me, yo. If you see my baby, yo, you go shut up, oh. My baby too fine, you go shut up, oh. Look at my Ewedu. Ewedu so good. Baby dance for me, yo. My stomach is dumpling. Hey, baby dance for me, yo. Yeah, this is the soup is always slimy, but it's very nutritional. Yep, we do green soup from western part of Africa, precisely Nigeria. Nigeria like this soup a lot. They call it Ewedu. It is called Ewedu. Ana kiran shi ayoyo. Tunkunya is different. Tunkunya is different, but this is one time. Yoruba. King sesame. In the sesame I fita sosai. Wancan. We go chop shaggy. We go chop banga. We go harvest veggies. It's rainy season again. You get free things at your backyard. It's another rainy season. You're gonna get some free veggies from your backyard. Don't worry, you guys should. If this is your first time of seeing, coming across my channel, please subscribe for more greenish. Connect with nature. These are greenish vegetables that we do not. This is organic leaf, organic veggies. You understand? This one is very. Don't worry, I'm going to attach the nutritional value of this one at the description of the video. If you want to know more about it, go to the description of the video. You see it. But it is called Ewedu or ayoyo. Thank you for watching. Love you guys. Bye bye.